Eat more tobacco.
No. No tobacco. Home away from home. Guess where we are, guys? We're here in Missouri. Hi. This is our first meal for today. So I ordered corned beef hash. And this is his always favorite here in Iron Skillet. What is that, baby? Burger?
Top steak, yeah.
Yep. Medium rare. And I have a grits. Grits here. And of course, guys, ang unlimited na coffee. So, ayan. Unlimited coffee. So, lots of people here because it's what time now? It's 12:56 p.m. So we stop by here in Pilot, get some our first meal. So that's it, guys. Oh, look yummy. I'm hungry. Guys, time check 5:01 a.m. and we're going to deliver our load. So early.
Way too early.
Way too early.
I know these don't be here. I've come in early. I've been here 4:30. I know nobody told me to come. That's all right. Have a good day, B3.
I mean, just,
Hi guys, welcome back here in our channel. So if you're new here in our channel, so I am Aubrey and this is Porky Pig. So we're doing an expediter. So we drove a 2017 Ram Promaster van. It's a cargo van. So we deliver and pick up a load across the country. So this video, guys, I'm going to show you how we cook inside the van. You know, at least we can save some money being going to eat in the restaurant, you know. Maybe you can spend $30 or more when you eat in the restaurant, especially when you eat in a high-end restaurant. So at least we go get the some frozen food in Walmart and get some fish or vegetables and cook it in a simple way. So I want to show it to you guys. So this is how we cook here in our van. And if you're new here in our channel, please do subscribe and leave your comments, and hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.
eat more tobacco.
No. No tobacco. Hi guys. So today I'm going to cook inside the van, and I want to show you how we cook inside our van. So this is our generator. So we're here in Pilot, here in Louisville, Kentucky. So I'm going to cook for dinner. Actually, we have an outlet there at the side, but since we're here, so just leave it like that and put the cord. So we have electric skillet here, and I'm going to cook a mahi-mahi, guys. So I buy this one in Walmart, the skinless fillet. Tsaka yan, nag-slice na rin ako ng zucchini and with lemon and pepper seasoning, black pepper, fresh lemon, and a butter. So yan guys, mag-start na tayo magluto. Let's start cooking. Now it's done, guys. Look not really good, but tastes good.
Mahi. That's good.
Yep. Let's eat, guys. Hi guys, so we're here. I'm cooking. So I already done cooking my squash, yellow squash, and then I have here salmon. So I put some lemon and peppers and olive oil, little bit olive oil, and I squeezed fresh lemon, and then I have a shrimp here. So yummy. This is how we cook here inside the van. So as you can see, we have a load. Look at how messy. We have a big box. So I still have space to cook, so I cook. There you go. To clean this. Olive oil. you for watching.